So, is there a connection with spirituality and being a vegan? Or, in other words, should you be a vegan if you want to be spiritual? There is a good thing that I covered morality in my last video, or maybe video before last, but the point is that I covered morality and they covered that there is no morality, and then I I don't have to explain some things in this video, hopefully, and you can just go watch that video if you haven't, so you know. And we have the base for this episode. So obviously, if there is no morality, veganism and being a vegan doesn't make any sense, because veganism is a form of morality. Vegans say that it's not moral to kill animals, and you shouldn't hurt anyone if you are spiritual. Please notice that that is religion. That's not spirituality. That's beliefs, dogma, and really limiting yourself. You're limiting yourself with morality. All there is consciousness, and therefore, every action and every sin or whatever is just another content in consciousness. And choosing which contents of consciousness is better and more right is just, it's just an ego game. You need to dictate what is right for you to survive, but objectively there is nothing more right than the other. So if vegans say killing animals is not moral, that is just another religion. That is just choosing parts of reality which the ego likes and dismissing the parts of reality which don't fit the ego. There comes a point where you stop being religious, like you outgrow the Christianity and these popular religions, but then you have popularized like New Age spirituality and spirituality as a religion, because chances are that when you come out of religion, I mean the biggest religions, that you are still carrying some baggage from that, and you're still carrying the way of thinking from that. And then obviously, you carry out morality from that. But ultimately, there is nothing spiritual about uh, not killing animals and about being a vegan. In the end, it's all religion, and all rules are just religion. It's just limitations. Suffering comes from the ego. Pain comes from the body. So if you suffer, you choose to suffer. Pain, you also choose in a way, but you choose it subconsciously. Like the body chooses to feel the pain in order to notice that something is wrong with the body. Like, why do you feel pain? It's not something like you have to feel. I mean, you choose to feel pain. You choose to feel pain as an emotion, as an information for the mind. So then you can know something is wrong, and you can know that your survival is threatened. And there is nothing bad with that. There is nothing bad and wrong with pain. Pain is only wrong for the ego, if because you want to survive. But when you notice that death isn't objectively bad, but it's only bad for the ego who wants to survive, then obviously pain as well is just pain. It's just an emotion. It's not wrong or anything. Of course, when you know love and when you know truth, there is no need for torturing animals and um, killing them for fun or something. but you do still have an emotion and of hunger and desire to eat animals. Like it's natural, and in the end, it's not something not moral, because in the end, it's just consciousness being itself. Like you eating an animal is consciousness eating consciousness. But it's better put that consciousness being itself. It's just consciousness being. So there is nothing wrong, and there couldn't be anything wrong. Not with killing animals or anything really. So don't put veganism in the same category as spirituality, because it has nothing to do with the truth. Veganism is just another form of religion and morality, which is a limited perspective, and which is ultimately coming from the ego. You can still care about animals as the content of the consciousness, but it doesn't mean you should or shouldn't do something. Love can be expressed with any action, with killing or with um, preserving someone. Love is expressed through any action. Love doesn't choose and pick which action is loving or which action is not loving. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, be sure to post them down below. I'll answer them if they make sense, if I haven't answered them already. And yeah, if you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe if you're new, so you don't miss other videos that I'll be posting out in the future. And I'll guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.